Chapter 4, Where Atoms Come From. Where are all star stuff? In Chapter 4 of The Disappearing Spoon, it discusses the common sense view of the elements. The common sense view of the elements was that they don't come from anywhere, and atoms were not created nor destroyed. They are just there. Later on, in the 1930s, the Big Bang Theory came into the picture. Since the pinprick that existed back then, 14 billion years ago, contained all the matter in the universe, everything around us was ejected from that speck. Not in the formation of objects we have now, such as tin cans and aluminum foil, but more basic stuff that turned into that kind of stuff later on. Later on, in 1939, German and American scientists proved that the sun and the stars heated themselves by fusing hydrogen together to form helium. Compared to planets around other stars, our system's 4 rocky planets, Venus, Mars, Earth, and Mercury, have different abundances of each type of element. As a result, each solar system has a unique element signature. Below each element on the periodic table contains a number, which is the element's atomic weight. The atomic weight is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. In 1977, father and son, Louis and Walter Alvarez, studied limestone deposits in Italy. The layers of limestone looked uniform but fine. Unaccountable layer of red clay that dusted the deposits from around the date of extinction, 65 million years ago. They found that the clay contained 600 more times the normal level of the element iridium. Iridium is an iron-loving element, and as a result, most of it is tied up in Earth's molten core. The only source of iridium is iron-rich meteors, asteroids, and comets, which got the Alvarezes thinking. Then, a colleague of Alvarez started to question all of the Alvarez's findings and started to go against the Alvarezes. Richard Muller said he thinks the sun had a roaming companion star around, which the Earth circled too slowly for us to notice, and whose gravity yanked asteroids towards the Earth as it approached